Hey guys, for this project we analyzed varying levels of dominance of domesticated canines. In small groups of dogs, dominance relationships are typically depicted as one dominant dog and one or more submissive dogs. Dominance is communicated through actions such as growling, barking, tail and ear positioning, and more. Such as in this picture, one dog will display dominance toward the other, and as a result, the other dog will roll onto its back, displaying its belly and showing complete submission. One of the research papers we were influenced by researched the interactions between a group of dogs who were all neutered and all housed together at a dog daycare. The interactions amongst the pairs of dogs were watched to find whether the dogs attempted to show more dominance or more submission events and what caused the actions, and also kept note of the results between different individuals of differing age and sex. Similarly to this study, we observed and recorded displays of dominance in our pairs of dogs at home.
Hey guys, so the dog on the left is Bernie, who's 7 months old and he's a male, and the dog on the right is Pumpkin, who's 8 years old and a female. In this video, we tried to take the dogs on a walk, and Bernie tried to get ahead of Pumpkin to go on a walk by putting his mouth over Pumpkin's muzzle and growling at her. We can see Pumpkin doesn't fight back. In the paper we covered, titled Elevated Aggression is Associated with Uncertainty in a Network of Dog Dominance Interactions, it stated that dominant individuals can easily be recognized because they engage in frequent acts of aggression towards subordinate individuals. Similarly to the research paper, Bernie seems to be the dominant individual in this relationship.
Contrary to the canines in Vanessa's video, the dominant individuals in a domesticated dog hierarchy are more often than not the oldest of the pack. I'm going to display a video on this hierarchical dominance and then elaborate on the different levels of dominance displayed. In this video, the larger and older German Shepherd is my female dog Coco, while the younger and smaller one is the male Coda. Coco is 2 years old and has already established dominance over Coda. However, Coda is only 8 months old, and due to him increasing in size, she feels the need to display an increased level of aggression to the juvenile of the group in order to maintain her status as the alpha in the relationship, as seen in the video.
These are our citations. Thank you so much for watching.